sold.
Top notch on my right, smelling smoke. She don't know about the hustling that I did when I was broke.
What in the goddamn hell are you talking about?
Know what I'm saying?
What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. This is not an update I wanted to give you guys. She's on the ground, but not for a good reason. Unfortunately, I have to switch things over to stock because I have recalls in it, safety and all that, and DMV has put a hold on my registration, so I won't be able to register the car. So I have to take it to Mazda. Oh my child is always crying. So I have to put it back to stock, which means I have to switch out the steering wheel. My fuel pump has to be switched out. I'm putting rep wheels on it for now because I don't want them scratching my work wheels. And I'm leaving it without a front bumper, and I don't want to leave this. I do, but I don't. I'm so tired. But I'm going to leave my side skirts on there, my carbon fiber side skirts. I hope they don't damage them. Mazda, please don't do me dirty. I own 3 Mazdas. Please take care of my car. This one's the baby too. This one has been around the longest. Which is sad. So I'm going to get started on that, and I'll update you guys as progress goes on. So in order to take off the stock steering wheel, we got to take off all these Allen bolts and take off the main bolt right there. I think it's a 19. I forgot what size. I'll go double check. I actually went through and shuffled through some of the sockets, and it's actually feels like a 22, so I'm gonna go with that. Maybe I won't have to take these off. I'll probably just leave it connected to the hub and take off the hub. We'll find out. Whew. That shit came off easier. Actually, I hit it a few times, not easier. I hit it a few times and then it just ended up falling off, so we're good there. And then I didn't have to take off the anarchy bolts. I just left the hub onto the steering wheel. So we're gonna put the stock steering wheel back on and we should be good. So in order to remove the airbag from the steering wheel, there's 2 10s on the sides. Here and here on the other side. Make sure when you guys are doing this, it's the same process as doing the as putting in an aftermarket one, just reverse. Make sure when you're doing it, the wheel's straight so that you don't have to get that aligned later. I checked mine earlier. Make sure your clock springs straight too, because that'll give you problems, especially with the RX-8. When you put this nut back on, make sure you don't over torque it. You don't want to break anything. And be careful with these because this one's for your airbag, you don't want that going off, and this one's for your horn. I haven't had a battery in this car for a while, so nothing's energized. I have not seen the stock steering wheel back in this car in forever. Next, I have to replace the fuel pump because the one in the tank is modified and they have to look it over to see that everything's okay, there's no cracks on it or anything for the emissions recall. So I'm gonna go get doing on that, and I'll show you guys how to take it out. It's pretty easy, just needs some legwork. The only thing I'm worried about is that I have some gas in there. It's like 3/4 full, it's gonna spill out, but oh well, nothing you can do about it. I could suction it out, but I don't have any hose right now, so I'm just gonna open it and hope for the best. So the first step is to pop up the seat. All you have to do is pull up because it's just a metal clip. 2 clips. Now that's out. So the next is the 4 Phillips screws on the cover. After that, here it is. So mine is modified. This is the return line, and this is the feed line. Got my handy dandy tool. So this is probably the hardest part. Gotta throw it in there. Pray that it works. Kind of need 2 hands to do this, but one to hold it down so that it doesn't slip too much, the other to turn it. Gets a bit of leverage. But you get the idea. So you just, those plastic tabs get locked on, and then you turn it out. So I finished putting the other wheels on, because I don't want to leave my work wheels on there. They might scratch them at the dealer, or the tow truck might scratch them, but I just want to say, Mom, Dad, I love you, and I'm sorry I kicked you out of the garage.
The next day.
So we're having the RX-8 towed to the dealership. The tow truck just got here, so I'm gonna go open the garage and get that set up right now. Huh? It was leaking fuel and some safety recalls like airbags. All in my chunkless. All right.
Good thing you got somebody experienced.
I know, huh? It's bye for now. See you later.
Be very careful with you guys' feet on by the bed, okay?
You're good, man.
Don't stand near them.
My what?
That goes nothing.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
These wheels are for sale. I only put them on there because I didn't want to scratch my work wheels.
Yeah, bro, I was about to say, because it's right on the bumper.
Yeah, I have other wheels, I just didn't want to scratch them, you know? I don't have that. Where is it? My father is so nice. Always trying to do the right thing. If your tow truck driver is good at towing your car, always tip him. Because just as hard as it is to build a car, it is also hard to tow a lowered car. So, what, Mom? What happened?
Lag na lag yung car mo na yun. Ayaw mo i-get rid of.
Dad, did you just fart? Oh my god, I'm putting that in there. I gotta get ready. I think that's it for this video. I gotta go to Mazda. See y'all later.